Hi Crafty Friends, this is Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of, from Diamond Art Club, Clockwork Dragonling. So let me bring her up so you see her. Okay, it always comes in this beautiful box. If you see it's red, that means it's round. And of course it also has the shape. So it's round drills. It's got Scan Me, Unlock for 10%. It's got the instructions in the back, and it tells you what's inside the kit also. So, and then it comes with a sticker, and it comes with two stickers, but I take the smaller sticker and I put it on the bottom of the box. Okay, it helps me because I pile them up, and when I'm looking for a certain one, so I just look at the picture and it's easier instead of opening all the boxes and looking for the painting that you need. Okay, so all right, so let's open this baby up. Today, guys, it went up to 103 degrees in Texas. All right, so let's move this out of the way. Did you come? Okay, that's empty in there. Okay, with the toolkit, it always comes with a toolkit. Let's open this baby up. This is actually the new toolkit. And I always struggle getting them out. So hopefully, see what I mean? Oh, mamma mia. Okay. So they come with resealable bags just in case you don't have the container, and you could put the beads in here, the diamond or the drills. It comes with beautiful washi tape. The washi tape can be used around the diamond painting because it's very sticky there. And it's when you're working on it, sometimes your arm gets stuck to the adhesive. So this is perfect for that. It comes with wax with beautiful container shaped in a heart, which I love. Oops, let me close it properly. It comes with a little, I call them scrunchies. It's for the pen. Okay, for the diamond pen, which I've never, it's green, which is nice. I don't think I have a green one. It comes with a tray and a stopper. So to prevent the drills from spilling. Pretty cool. And it comes also with a beautiful, oh gosh, this is going to be great with the painting actually, the colors. This is a cover minder. So it's a very, very pretty cover minder, and it has placers. Okay. So let's open this up. This is, like I said, Diamond Art Club. It's called Clockwork Dragonling by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. And she's an artist who likes to combine fantasy and the surreal. So just to bring some magic in our lives, why not, right? We need that. The canvas, like always, from Diamond Art Club is velvety. It's very, very, very soft. It's 100% velvet tarpaulin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but the tarpaulin, it's supposed to help with the wrinkles, and when you lay it, to lay it flat. The drills are 100% resin diamonds that have more shine to them. And they use glue and ink that is 100% toxin free, which is very good, guys. Okay, so we got the drills here. Move that aside. It always comes with these instructions. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, with the instructions. All right, let's move that aside. And the sticker. Okay, here you use this for your logbook. Clockwork Dragonling by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. You put the start date, the end date. It's absolutely beautiful. It's round. The size is 51 centimeters by 69 centimeters. Okay, and you have the individual stickers, and this is what you're going to peel off, and you will put these on your containers. Okay, and it looks like it's got 61 plus 4 ABs. So 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Wait, no, the ABs are up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Anything under 150 is considered an AB, which is Aurora Borealis. It's basically extra shine to your drill. Okay, absolutely beautiful. All right, let's open up this baby. Oh my gosh, how does this go? Okay, like this. And like always, let me just turn it very quickly. You can do this with a Diamond Art Club canvas because they're so soft, guys. I love them. Okay, and before I forget, I need to mention that right now Diamond Art Club is celebrating Christmas in July. So if you buy one, you get one for 50% off using the code SUMMER50. Perfect. Okay, so let's look at this beauty. So they always come with a legend, one on the left hand side, on the upper side, on the upper side, on the top, and on the right side is on the bottom of the painting. Okay, and then it always tells you Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club, right there. And then down here, okay, it tells you again, it has a picture. It tells you Clockwork Dragonling, and it's 51 centimeters by 69 centimeters, and in inches is 20 inches by 27 inches. And it tells you the artist, Jasmine Beckett Griffith, and the company, Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, like always, it says you can take 10% off of your next order, and a lifetime warranty. So your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. Awesome. Love that. Okay, so let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. So it looks like this is the sun, and it looks like the sun is setting. And she's surrounded by these beautiful butterflies. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies. And it looks like one of the butterflies is actually bringing her a golden key. So maybe, and in the middle, it's an emerald. Okay, these are emeralds. And maybe it's a magic key to something, we don't know. But she's steampunk, and I absolutely love her goggles. Look at her goggles, guys. And the goggles sort of match her eyes. See that? And then she's wearing like this necklace. And right in the middle, there's a lock. Could it be for the key? Don't know. Okay, love her outfit. It's like I said, she's wearing like this steampunk. She's got these beautiful boots that I love. And right next to her is this dragonling, which means baby dragon. Now, the question is it a real dragon or is it like a mechanical dragon? Because he's wearing steampunk also, so I don't know. Could it be that the key will unlock the little dragon, and maybe by magic the dragon will turn into a real dragon? I don't know. You got to use your imagination, guys. Okay, this is what I love about her paintings. And then she's sitting on grass. She's very relaxed, and she's got wings. Now the question is she a fairy or is she an angel? I don't know. Okay, and it also looks like if the sun is setting, maybe, just maybe, I don't know, maybe when it gets dark, all the emeralds will glow. There's emerald there, here, and here. Maybe they glow in the dark. So you got to use your imagination, guys. Okay, so let's see how it's sticky. It's very, very sticky. I can see it. It's very shiny, and it's very clear. So let me bring it up so you can see her beautiful eyes. Look at those beautiful eyes, and it's very clear. Okay. All right, so let's look at the drills. I don't know if I mentioned it's got 44,344 drills, which is not that bad. Well, yeah, right. Okay, guys, let's go over the colors very quickly. This is 900, 433, 434, 3864, and 3012. So you got greens, browns, and orange. Okay, 3350, 3830, 3733, 907, 700, 993, 720, and 355. Okay, so here you have like pinks. This is like a dark orange, another pink, greens in the green family, and orange. Okay, so this one's 3823. It's like a very, very light yellow. 996, a light blue. 436, it's like a brown, more brown. 648, it's like a gray, and 356. This is a pretty color. I like that color. 3778, it's like a peachy. 3771, 301, 779, 3826, and 300. This has lots of browns, guys, but it also has, like, I guess, a little bit of everything. Okay, this is 38.65, which is white. 9.37 is a green, and 9.38 it's like a chocolate brown. Okay, let me move these out of the way so we can have room for the others, because there's a lot of colors. Like I mentioned before, I believe there's 65 colors altogether. Okay, this one's 38.46 and 5.19. So these are in the blues. I love blues. And blues and greens. 9.92, 9.12 greens. 38.14, it's like a blue green. 38.43, it's a beautiful blue. 7.38, it's like a light tan. 9.35, it's like a, I don't know, like a dark, like a green, olive green maybe. 8.20, very pretty blue. 8.98, it's a chocolate. And 30.24, it's like a very, very light gray. And 38.61, very pretty color. $9.76, it's sort of like a mustard color. 400, 646, a gray color, and 647. So one, they're both gray, but one is lighter than the other. And it looks like we've got more grays here. So 844, we have 2 bags of 844. 645, it's 1 bag. 33.71, there's 2 bags. Lots of browns, guys, and lots of grays. 37.99 is 2 bags, and 310, just 2 bags. That's not bad. Okay, I think I mentioned these 2. Yeah, those were the blues. 210, it's like a very pretty purple. Ooh, I love this light blue. 7.75, 9.05, it's like a green. 33.26 is a very, very light pink. And 38.11, this is absolutely beautiful. It's like a very, very light blue. 9.39, it's like a blue, dark blue. 9.48, 4.98, it's like a red. This must be for her outfit. 38.60, it's like a, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like a mauve, so pretty. 30.23, light gray. 3.53, like a peachy color. Oh wow, love this yellow. 7.27 and 8.14 is that beautiful, like a red. So all the colors are beautiful, guys. Now we're gonna look at these 4 ABs. And so let's bring back the painting. We're gonna figure out where they go. Okay, so we have 129. It's like a yellow. And there's a couple there that caught a little ride. So that there it goes. It's very pretty. And then this 134. It's a very pretty green. 136. It's like a blue purple. Beautiful. And 137 is like a blue. All right, so let's look at these. So 129, you look at your legend. And it should be at the top. It's going to be number 1. Anything, anywhere, anything that you, anything or anywhere. Sometimes I forget how to speak, guys. 129 is number 1. So wherever you see number 1 on the painting, and I believe it's over here on the sun. So lots of 1. All these are 1s, guys. 1 here, 1, some on her goggles. Okay. And then, so let's leave that there. And then number 2, which was number 2? Number 2 is 134. That's the green one. And the 2 is on the goggles, on the lens. And there's some on her eye, because remember I told you that sort of matches the goggles. Number 2, anywhere else? And some down here on the emeralds. Okay. All right. I gotta be careful because my mic. This touches the mic and makes noise. Okay, so 136, and this is number 3. So wherever you see number 3, I see it on the butterflies, I see it on the goggles, I see it on her eyes. Well, so 3 is everywhere. It's like a little bit of everywhere, sprinkled everywhere. Okay, I like that. Man, the butterflies are gonna look so beautiful in her goggles and her eyes. And this is 137, and this is going to be 4, right? 4. Yeah, so let's see, where is 4? 4. It looks like it's not on the butterflies. Is it up here? Huh. Where is 4, guys? I see 3, 3. Oh, mamma mia. 4 is hiding. It would be this color. That's 3. Huh. I cannot find it. That's a 3s. Ah, here it is. I'm sorry. I found it. It's also on her lenses of the goggles. There's 4 there. And there's some 4 over here. And is it around her eyes? Nope, just on the goggles. Okay, so that's going to be beautiful. It's going to be shiny, super shiny, the sun, her goggles, the butterflies in her eyes, and the emeralds. So that's going to look spectacular. I love it's very bright. I just love everything about her. I love her beautiful big eyes. I love her outfit. Yeah. So anyway, well, thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.